Two titans of email marketing face off. Which one really delivers? On the left, AWeber, affordable automation for creators and SMBs. On the right, Constant Contact, simplicity and event tools for nonprofits and local businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and find out what truly matters. Each category scores points, and in the end, you'll see exactly who wins in 2025. The result might surprise you. Here's a quick visual. We're comparing these products across pricing, automation and features, integrations, reporting and analytics, usability, and e-commerce plus multi-channel stuff. 6 big things. Think of this like our roadmap before we hit each stop. All right, straight up pricing. So AWeber kind of wins my heart here first. It has a free plan up to 500 subscribers, which, hey, is pretty generous if you're just starting out. And their paid tiers, honestly, super affordable and scale well if you grow. No built-in transactional emails though, so keep that in mind. Now, Constant Contact's got some powerful stuff, but there's no free plan. Paid plans are packed with cool features, and they go multi-channel, but let's be real, they start at a higher price. Not always ideal for small teams on a budget, you know? Winner here is pretty clear, AWeber. Now, next biggie, automation and features. With AWeber, you get advanced segmentation, tagging, and powerful autoresponders. It even tosses in, wait for it, 700 plus templates. That's a lot of options, seriously. But it doesn't have native transactional email support. And if you love plugging things everywhere, integrations are decent, but not as many as Constant Contact. CC offers automated workflows too, and a bunch of templates. Over 240, which is nice for beginners. But I'll be honest, the automation isn't as flexible, and if you're a power user, you'll probably want more. Kind of a no-brainer, AWeber takes the win right here. Integrations. So, AWeber works with a solid 797 plus apps. Plus, there's Zapier, so you can slot in some CRM magic. Downside? Fewer built-in integrations than Constant Contact. And if you're dreaming about Salesforce, that's a no-go here. Now, Constant Contact, oh, and here's something cool, boasts over 5,000 integrations. Seriously, you can pretty much plug and play with anything, which is amazing. If you're all about easy connections, it's a win. One thing to note, for serious automation triggers, it's not super deep. Still, winner here has to be Constant Contact. Oh, fun fact, before we dive deeper. Did you know the first commercial email was sent in 1978? Yep, long before emojis, memes, and all this automation. Crazy to think how far we've come, right? Next up, reporting and analytics. So AWeber goes all in. Deep insights at the subscriber level. Plus, you can track how your automations are performing. Honestly, the amount of data is awesome, though the interface can get a little overwhelming sometimes. Constant Contact's analytics, pretty straightforward. You get your open and click metrics, and the dashboard makes it simple. But it stops there. Less data for nerding out and optimizing. Honestly, if you want real analytics, AWeber grabs this one. All right, usability. AWeber offers loads of features, which is great if you love having control. But be warned, the learning curve is a little steep if you're just getting started. On the flip side, Constant Contact is super intuitive. Like, if you want email done easy, this is it. Their tutorials, plus phone and chat support, make it really painless. Maybe too simple if you're a technical marketer, but for everyone else, it's awesome. So, Constant Contact wins here. E-commerce and multi-channel. AWeber's got a basic landing page builder, nice, but honestly very limited when you compare it. E-commerce tools and SMS/social features are kinda bare bones, but with Constant Contact, you actually get event marketing built in, plus support for SMS, social posts, and even Google Ads. Sure, it's still pretty email-centric and advanced segmentation isn't its thing, but if you want to reach people everywhere, Constant Contact brings home the trophy on this one. Picture this. We're mapping out the scores across all categories. AWeber's strength is in pricing, automation, and reporting, while Constant Contact shines in integrations, usability, and multi-channel. Pretty visual way to see where each one stands. So let's just keep it real. If you're a creator or small business, want good automation, and don't want to break the bank, AWeber is tailor-made for you. But if you're a nonprofit or local business, love a friendly interface, and want to go multi-channel, even if it means paying extra, Constant Contact might be your best bet. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit save so you don't lose it. And hey, stick around for more no-nonsense tech comparisons coming your way.